How to set up your Apple Watch with the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the Pro Max. First, on your Apple Watch, simply press on the power button to turn it on. So here I will switch it off. Now on the side here, simply press and hold on the side button or the power button to turn it on. Make sure you have reset your watch back to the default settings so that you can pair it with your iPhone. So here press and hold on the side button to turn on the Apple Watch. On the iPhone, make sure you have turned on Bluetooth so you can go into settings. In settings, go back to the main settings page, then go down and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If you don't turn it on, you have issues pairing your Apple Watch with the iPhone. Okay, so after that, on the iPhone here, on the Apple Watch, we have turned it on. Now sometimes it will pop up on the iPhone, telling you to connect with the Apple Watch. If it does not do that, sometimes you can simply just press on the lock button and then turn it back on, and then it will show Apple Watch here. So tap on the continue button, and then here say would you like to send you notifications. So tap on allow, and here we choose set up for myself or set up for a family member. I'm going to select set up for myself, and here say hold Apple Watch to the camera. So at the moment on this one here, we're going to choose English and then choose the region. I'm going to say use camera to set up Apple Watch. So tap on start pairing. Okay, once you see this circle with lots of millions and millions of dots, so we use the phone and we put the Apple Watch in front of the camera like that and hold it steady. And here say your Apple Watch is paired. So now we go down and tap on set up Apple Watch. Here you can choose if you're the left-hand person or right-handed person. So select left or right, then tap on continued. Now it's connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So here on the Apple Watch, it's setting up language. Next, we go down and then tap on agree. In here, we're going to, now if the Apple Watch has been set up before by a previous owner, then you need to unlock it first because it has been locked with another ID already. So if you see this screen, you need to enter that account, the phone number or a password. Okay, so after that, on the next screen, you have the chance to set up your Apple Watch passcode. So here you can choose create a short passcode or add a long passcode or don't add passcode. I'm going to select create a passcode, and here we put in the passcode on the Apple Watch. So enter the passcode, and then if your code is too easy, can be easily guessed, then it will say use code or change. So I'm going to tap on use code and then put in the same passcode again to proceed. Next, we go back to the phone and then we go down and choose whether you want to use bold text or not. And you can also change the size of the text. Now, as you change the size of the text, it will appear on the watch here, as you can see. So select a text size, and then we tap on the continue button, and then tap on OK. Next, you can enter your date of birth, sex, height, weight, and whether you need to use wheelchair or not. Now this is for the activity tracking. Then tap on continue. For activity, you can choose to set up activity now or later. So I'm going to choose skip this step. We can always set up later in settings. And here you can also choose to enable route tracking or disable route tracking. Next, for sleep schedule, you can set up schedule right now, or you can do that later on. Again, I'm going to skip. Then in here, get notifications about your health. In here, do you want to turn on or turn off the noise notifications, cardio fitness, low heart rate, high heart rate? So you will receive a notification if your heart rate is low for at least 10 minutes, or if it's high for at least 10 minutes. Tap on the continue button after you have made the selections. And here say, are you taking this heart medications? If you do take any of it, you can choose to select it on or off. Then tap on continued. Next is the safety screen. In here, you can set up emergency SOS, fall detection during workouts, and crash detection, as well as backtrack. So tap on the continue button. And here says sign into your account. This may take a few minutes. On the next screen, you can choose to set up Apple Pay now or later on. If you tap on the continue button, you can then set up your Apple Pay. Any card, any payments card that have already been added to your phone can be transferred over to your Apple Watch. So if you want to continue, just tap on the continued, and you need to verify each of the card in your wallet. I'm going to tap on set up later, and then tap on done, and that's it. So we have now successfully set up the Apple Watch. If you go to your Apple Watch, you can see it say hello, and then tap on the start button. And here we'll give you an introduction on how to use your Apple Watch if you're a first timer. So press the digital crown to see your app. So you're pressing it. And in here, this is the app screen. So when you're pressing it, it will take you to the app screen. And press the side button to open the control center. So the side button here is the control center. So when you're pressing it, that is the control center. And when you're pressing it, you can scroll down and up. Okay, so I say welcome to Apple Watch. After you have gone through the quick introduction of your Apple Watch, then it is ready for you to use. Now, anytime that you want to set up your Apple Watch, you can do so from the Apple Watch or from your device on your iPhone. So on the iPhone here, there is an app called Watch. So if you go to your app library, in here, we're going to type in Watch. So tap on the Watch app, and on the Watch app, you'll be able to make any changes or settings on your phone, and that will replicate to your Apple Watch. Now in here, you can see if I go down and tap on Face Gallery, I can choose a different face gallery for my watch. For example, this one here, Snoopy, and I will tap on Add. And here's it added to Apple Watch, and immediately on my Apple Watch you can see the changes has been applied and sync across. And that's it. So that is a quick tutorial on how you can connect and pair your Apple Watch with the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro. Now once you have set up, there are a lot of things that you can do or set up via the iPhone, and what a lot number of things that you can do with your Apple Watch, such as when your Apple Watch is close to the iPhone, it can keep the iPhone unlocked, amongst other things, such as using your Apple Watch to make a payment instead of using your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.